One of the hardest parts with developing an application is the deployment phase. How many times have you deployed an application just for it to crash one way or another? Running a localhost server makes it look incredibly easy when in reality it takes so much to create an application. And that's just the beginning of it. Scaling is another issue. How do big tech companies stream to billions of people a day and not even bat an eye? This question has a lot of different answers, but the short answer is large-scale system design. The System Design Primer is an open source repository showing you how to become a better engineer by designing scalable systems. What makes this repository so great is that it has resources for whatever step you are on your developer journey. So new or experienced developers will get a kick out of this. Here are some of my favorite concepts that this repository shows. The scalability lecture from Harvard that this repository linked to is a great way to understand vertical scaling, horizontal scaling, caching, load balancing, and much more. Databases is a huge topic, but in terms of system design, there's a lot to understand. Things like read replicas, write masters, and database caches are just some of the ways to help scale a database alone. Load balancing is such a cool concept. The concept of having a service that will push traffic to another server depending on the load of one server is very satisfying. It's almost like playing a game of mini motorways if you've ever played that game. I can go on for hours about each point, but the point of this repository is to be a study guide to help you land a job or upgrade your career by learning a skill that is still needed in a lot of growing industries. Oh, and it pays a lot of money too, so don't forget that if you did. Being able to create a visual graph of server infrastructure will take you a long way in your career. You can choose a short, medium, or long pathway depending on how much you want to learn. Now I can successfully deploy my apps with no errors whatsoever. Okay, maybe not.